So as you guys saw in the video, I got the plates all welded up and ready to go. Right now it is 6 layers, 15 and 20 and 1084. I'm going to my friend Matt Miller. He actually owns a forge. It's really nice. We're gonna flatten it down there, and then we're going to actually cut it twice, fold it over, and then make an 18-layer billet. And then after that, we're gonna drill holes, and then we're gonna do a raindrop pattern Damascus, as you saw in the intro. And the reason I'm standing down here in the middle of nowhere is because this right here is going to be, oh, little step needs some oil. The new workshop.
Still trying to figure out how to tell you I was wrong. I can't feel the emptiness inside since you've been gone. So is it you or is it me? I know I said things that I didn't mean, but you should have known me by now. You should have known me.